not just like a fast, but as a beautiful cosmic ritual. Fasting is not depriving ourselves of food, but it is devotion. It means gaining mastery over your desires. Shani, it reminds us to look beyond flaws. Namaste, everyone, and happy Karwa Chauth to all the divine couples. So today we are going to talk about the importance और हर एक उसके पीछे जो छोटी छोटी चीजें है, सरगी हो, छन्नी हो, इसके पीछे का महत्व. हाँ. So today let us start this. First, I would love to wish you actually a very very happy, beautiful relationship which you are in. So congratulations today. If you are on a fast, then you are doing some opening the gates to something divine, something cosmic. Okay. So let us treat Karwa Chauth not just like a fast, but as a beautiful cosmic ritual, not just to reset ourselves inside, but hamari relationship also. Okay. So can you view Karwa Chauth today as that beautiful sacred dance, like between you and your partner as a soul? A divine connection जो ऊपर वाले ने करा रखा है of two souls together to grow on this journey. And how does this day begin? This day begins with Sargi, right? Sargi करते हो आप लोग? So this day begins with Sargi. Or what do you mean by Sargi? Is Sargi just food? Sargi is not just food, but you can take it like the transfer of blessings. जो हमारी प्रकृति ने, मदर अर्थ ने भर भरा के हमें दिया है. It is that abundance of energy, that nurturing and nourishing energy of the mother. You can take it of your own mother or the divine mother या फिर माँ प्रकृति. So before eating sargi today, you can do a small ritual is you can close your eyes, thank your mother or the divine mother या फिर mother earth को एक बार thank you बोल के ना for the nourishment, protection and unconditional love. Yeah, so now let's go to fasting. Fasting is powerful. Do you agree? Yes. फास्टिंग अगर आप इस विचार से कर रहे हो मैं पूरे दिन खाना नहीं खा रही हूँ क्योंकि मैंने करवा चौथ का व्रत रखा है. आई एम लाइक डूइंग इट फॉर द लाइफ ऑफ माय हस्बैंड. सो लेट अस टुडे चेंज द वे वी लुक एट फास्टिंग. Fasting is not depriving ourselves of food, but it is devotion. It means gaining mastery over your desires. Desires of eating like yum, yum, yum food, which you might feel like, देखते ही मन करे कि सामने क्या है, समोसा रखा है, जलेबी रखी है, जो भी. Like, and then there you are controlling your desire of having it. Fasting, in one way, you can say, is gaining mastery over your desires. और क्या होगा जब आप फास्टिंग करोगे? When you're giving that desired break for your mind, for your body, it is going to purify your body, mind, and your aura. Right? Have you felt during Karwa Chauth, पूरे दिन शाम तक थोड़ी चाहिए ये हो, but the next day also you're feeling good because you have cleaned your body, mind, and aura. So when you do a fast, how do you feel on the next day? Do you feel you're creating that beautiful space for love? Okay, one ritual I would like to tell you all today is each time you feel hungry, just close your eyes and pray for your partner's happiness and long life. सिर्फ उनके नहीं, अपने लिए भी. ठीक है? Can you do this आज? It's going to, you're affirming for not just for your partner's happiness and long life, but also for your own joy and longevity. So each time you feel hungry today, close your eyes and just send a prayer for your partner's happiness and long life. And also for your own joy in life. Okay, now let us come to the next, symbol of Karwa Chauth, that is Karwa. करवा मीन्स द अर्थन पॉट, जो हमारे करवा चौथ के व्रत में हम रखते हैं. What does it represent? It represents the vessel of life, fertility, prosperity. और उसमें क्या होता है? पानी होता है ना? It has water. And what is water? That is a nectar of existence. Water itself, क्या है? It is the nectar of existence. So what is it ritual you do when you fill your water with karwa? You can add a pinch of rice and keep आपका जो दिया जला हुआ होता है, keep it besides your diya, and it's a symbol of fulfillment in your marriage. Treat it as a symbol of fulfillment in your marriage, a beauty in your marriage. And वो दिया जो अग्नि देव है, you can just bow down to Agni and you can say, I bow down to Agni, which is that divine fire. और इसी के साथ हमारा रिश्ता भी शुरू होता है. हम अग्नि के साथ फेरों से ही रिश्ता शुरू करते हैं. करवा चौथ में भी एक दिया रखते हैं. सो अग्नि is an element which is a part of our life, of our relationships too. Let the divine fire, be the eternal witness. क्या अग्नि की साक्षी मानकर हम साथ फेरे लेते हैं, राइट? सो लेट इट बी द इटर्नल विटनेस. ये दिया जो है आपके प्यार का और आपके रिलेशनशिप का. सो दिस दिया, what does it represent? It represents the sacred fire. The sacred fire जो अंधकार में भी आपको उजाले की तरफ लेके जाए. अस्तोमा सद्गमय तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय. So which is removing the darkness and negativity and blessing your relationship with warmth and radiance. Imagine a time where there was no electricity. रात को क्या वो तेल केरोसिन के दिए जलते थे, याद है उस टाइम पे? तो that there was no electricity at all. So that used to give warmth to the family. Warmth and radiance to the family. अंधकार भी समझो विंटर के डेज में 6 बजे अंधेरा हो जाता है. What used to be there? It used to be the diya or the wood or the fire. So diya, the Agni, is something which is sacred. Huh? So you can just, when you light a diya, you can just bow down to Agni Devta and do a small chant. Om Agnaya Namah. ठीक है? Om Agni Devaya Namah. And it is for your protection and giving that warmth to your bond, to your relationship. हमने सरगी की बात की, हमने दिए की बात की, हमने वो करवा की बात की, है ना? फास्टिंग की बात की. सो नाउ विल टॉक अबाउट और क्या होता है? मून. व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट? मून. वी करवा चौथ इज ऑल्सो सिंबलाइज्ड विद द मून. वी वेट ना, मून कब निकलेगा. अभी सुबह में वॉक के लिए गई थी, मुझे मून दिख रहा था. मून इज ऑलरेडी देयर. Okay, we wait in the evening, in the night for the moonrise. Why moon? Because moon is said to be the healer of emotions and also the ruler of mind. You feel calm in a full moonlight. If you actually look at it with that energy of beautifulness, feeling love in your heart, अगर आप गलत से देखोगे ना, werewolf भी बन जाओगे, ठीक है? But if you are pouring that love in your heart and mind, then you will see moon has healing energies. It aligns with our emotional energy and it has a different calmness. You cannot sit in the sunlight for long, but you can sit in the moonlight throughout the entire night. Right? Can you see for the sun for a long time, but you can watch the moon throughout the night. It has a divine calmness. So आज जब आप अपनी पार्टनर की तरफ देखोगे, before looking at your partner, when you're gazing at the moon, today I want you to release one negative thought and then look at your partner with actually love, surrender, seva, purity. Means जो आपके मन में प्यार वाले भाव हो ना, releasing one negative thought and looking at your partner with purity, love, surrender. Okay, so now we'll go to the next part of करवा चौथ, which is छन्नी, सीव, जिससे हम देखते हैं. जब हम सीव से देखते हैं, छन्नी से देखते हैं, हमें छन्नी क्या रिमाइंड करती है? हम छन्नी से चांद को देखते हैं ना, और बाद में हमारे हस्बैंड के फेस को देखते हैं. वी लुक एट द मून एंड वी लुक एट द हस्बैंड्स फेस. सो दिस छन्नी, इट रिमाइंड्स अस टू लुक बियॉन्ड फ्लॉज. फ्लॉज तो बहुत है चन्नी में, है ना? बहुत सारे जाले हैं. But we choose to see the love and goodness in our partner along with the moon. So today, can you change your perception of, just doing it as a ritual? Moon ko dekha, partner ko dekha. Let us remind us it is a ritual where you are looking beyond the flaws and you choose to see आपके पार्टनर में जो अच्छाइयां हैं, the love and goodness in your partner. You remember we had done in our previous sessions where we are writing what are the beautiful qualities you appreciate in your partner. So today, let us focus on all the good things, not just today, always. When we focus on the good things, bad things automatically गायब हो जाएंगे. So today, आज आप जब चन्नी लेके देखोगे मून, चांद को और अपने चांद को, आई वॉन्ट यू टू से I choose to see love always. क्या कहोगे आप? I choose to see love always. Yeah? Okay. Next, emotion. Sorry, water. Let's go to the water. What does water represent? Water represents life as well as emotions. So जब हम offer, like पानी offer करते हैं ना, like your partner offers you water and you receive the water. So you're sharing the flow of your life force together. तो जब आप अपने पार्टनर, आपका व्रत तोड़ने के लिए दे ऑफर यू वाटर. या सो दैट इज द नेक्स्ट लाइक रिचुअल जो होता है आफ्टर यू लुक एट द चांद. सो एज योर पार्टनर ऑफर्स यू वाटर टुडे, bring it in your mind that we share the same life force. You and me and like me and my partner, we share the same life force. Aaj bhi or always, today and always, we share the same life force. Yeah. So let us understand the essence behind every small aspect of Karwa Chauth aaj. Channi ho gaya, water ho gaya, diya ho gaya. So every small aspect Karwa ho gaya. Okay. Because true love is never sacrificed by one. It is a balance by both. And through this ritual of Karwa Chauth, जिसमें हम fasting करें, we are doing a prayer. करवा चौथ का पाठ भी होता है. When you're meditating together even for 5 minutes, all the small things, let it just strengthen your bond with your partner. Even if your partner is not fasting, they can light a diya, and they can sit in silence with you. Or simply, ask them to hold your hand under the moonlight. Presence under the moonlight in that beautiful where you are, choosing to see love. And let this be a everyday, let this emotion be a everyday thing. This beautiful pouring of love from your heart, the connecting of your life forces, let this be a beautiful everyday thing. So a small moon manifestation ritual आज आप दोनों कर सकते हो after you break your fast. क्योंकि what moon does, it amplifies every emotion. वहां पे गड़बड़ करोगे ना, भूख लगी है, खा लो. Usually that happens ना, like पानी पी लो उसके बाद. So today let us, amplify and give 2 minutes for our relationship over here. Like, let you along with your partner आज ये चीज पक्का कर लो. Moon amplifies every emotion and every intention. So tonight is a chance for you to manifest together. So आज एक write a wish for your relationship on a piece of paper आज, both of y'all, after जब आप fast ये करोगे, place it under the moonlight and then you can place it आपके जहाँ मंदिर है ना वहां पे, या फिर आपके पिल्लो के अंदर डाल के, like keep it with you till the next full moon. Yeah, ready to do this ritual along with your partner? What you're going to do is you're going to write one wish for your relationship on a piece of paper. जैसे हमने last इसमें couple goals भी किए थे. So whatever you wish for your relationship, maybe you need to spend 15 minutes of pure time with each other, where you're talking nothing else but about your growth. बाकी घर का ये वो nothing. You're talking about you both. You're talking about not travel plans or not this and that, but something very meaningful, where you're reflecting on your relationship or where you're affirming every day that we choose to love each other. A 2-minute ritual where you're holding your love, we're holding your hands. Maybe you're doing a small prayer. Ho pono pono ho aaj ke pure din ke liye I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And I choose to love you today and always. Such a beautiful thing, right? 4-5 sentences and you're giving those vibrations to your partner every night. If you don't want to talk any other thing, do this as a ritual for the next 1 month and see the changes in your relationship. क्या करोगे? You're just going to hold your hands of your partner and recite the Ho'oponopono prayer or hug your partner every night before you go to bed. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I choose to love you today and always. And आज group पे I've already sent informations. So you can already, you can actually say that also. The couple affirmations जो मैंने आज भेजे हैं. First is for the self, which is the आपका cup घड़ा अगर भरा नहीं है, if your cup is not full, then you cannot pour in love. So when you say that I am a happy, radiant soul, I am peaceful and calm within, I am love itself, I radiate love wherever I go. I radiate love effortlessly wherever I go. This is for yourself. And now for your relationship, you can say, I accept you completely and you accept me with the same love, with the same openness and grace. Our relationship stands strong, tall, beautiful, and we trust each other. We respect each other. Whatever is the past, जो आप अगर आपके दिमाग में कुछ भी है ना ये कि ऐसे वैसे, so just today you're going to remove it off. Okay, जो भी है, and what you're going to do is I accept, like the past is gracefully, like चाहिए आपको कुछ खमियां दिख रही हो कि हाँ मेरा हस्बैंड ऐसे कर रहा है वैसे कर रहा है, ये नहीं करता वो नहीं कर, so from today, from this moment on, every action, every word, every thought is going to flow from your highest vibration. And for that, you have to put yourself on highest vibration. Okay. And also, I'm a giver in this relationship. Make is a affirmation. I'm a giver in this relationship. I'm bringing love in my relationship. Okay. So let's do this as a beautiful ritual. आज करवा चौथ से लेके every day, ताकि हमें हमारी बॉन्ड स्ट्रेंथन होती रहे. एंड यू कैन डिसाइड अ रिचुअल फॉर योर रिलेशनशिप. आज जब मून मैनिफेस्टेशन करोगे ना, डिसाइड व्हाट यू वांट, like write it on a piece of paper, tell your husband let's do this daily and see the effect changes in your relationship. Okay,